Have you ever pondered over the term arginine and wondered what it's used for? Well, let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this fascinating compound. Arginine, a semi-essential amino acid, plays a pivotal role in our bodies. It's the substance from which our bodies make nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and opens blood vessels, which in turn enhances blood flow. This improved circulation may have a variety of benefits, from improved heart health to enhanced athletic performance. But that's not all. Arginine also plays a vital role in cell division, wound healing, and the removal of ammonia from the body. It's also involved in immune function, aiding in fighting off disease and infections. One of the most interesting aspects of arginine is its potential role in growth hormone production. Some studies suggest that arginine may stimulate the release of growth hormone, which could aid in building muscle mass and improving physical performance. Arginine is not just a wonder molecule for athletes and bodybuilders, though. It's a powerhouse for overall health. For individuals with high blood pressure or heart diseases, arginine can be a game changer. By improving blood flow and relaxing blood vessels, arginine can help manage blood pressure levels and improve overall heart health. Moreover, arginine may also have benefits for people with diabetes. Research suggests that it can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, making it a potentially valuable tool in managing this condition. In summary, arginine is a semi-essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. From enhancing blood flow and heart health to aiding in wound healing and immunity, arginine is indeed a jack of all trades. Its potential to stimulate growth hormone production and manage blood sugar levels further adds to its repertoire of benefits. So the next time you come across the term arginine, remember, it's not just an amino acid. It's a powerhouse that supports your body in multiple ways, contributing to overall health and well-being. And on that note, we wrap up our deep dive into the world of arginine, a world full of potential, a world full of health,